I have to just literally hand pack and fill this whole thing with cement. And then this will be the very top of the form.
What are you doing, Karen?
I am rolling and leveling kitchen countertop. We're going to strip the form, see what happens.
Derek could have done this days ago. Oh, look how cool that is.
Dude, we're even awesomer than we think.
Oh my God.
That looks so cool.
Wow.
You're filming the wrong shit. Point it that way. That is so cool. That is awesome, brother. That is awesome. You gotta impress yourself sometimes.
But now do you have enough skulls in your yard?
No, I don't. You can never have enough skulls.
Good job, Jim. We popped them out, and there's a final detail on our bar edge.